Hi! In this video, I'll teach you how to fix this app can't run on your PC Windows. So the first step that we need to take is we need to head over to the search bar right here and search for system information. So here it is right here, and open that. And in here you can see your system information. So from in here, what you need to do is you just need to look for this system type. So as you can see right here, my system type is 64-base PC. That means I can only download apps that are 64-bit. So the apps that are 32-bit, I cannot exactly install them. So that's a good thing to know when you're downloading your files. So the next thing that you need to do is you need to head over in here, search for settings. And then from in here, we can just search in here for developer. So in here, just click on the developer settings. And then make sure that developer mode is turned on. So let's click on this and click on yes right here in order to turn it on. So the next thing we need to do is we need to head over again to the search right here and search for user account. So in here, you can click on this change user account control settings, open that. And then in here, you can see this, you can just head over and choose and actually change this one right here depending on what you want it to be. So the next thing that we can do is to actually head over to our search here again and search for Windows Defender. You can also just search in here for Windows Security because it will redirect you to the same thing. Let's click on open right here. And then let's open this one right here. And in here, you can see your home and security at glance. So you can click on this firewall and network protection. And as you can see, it is turned on. So if you want to turn it off, we can click on this one right here and click on this right here to turn it off. As you can see, it will prompt you in order to turn it on again because it will make your PC safe. But just ignore that and then just proceed in turning it off, and you can now download the app on your PC. So that's the whole process. I hope this video will help you to fix this app can't run on your PC. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below and I'll try my best to answer them. Thanks!